How to become a freelance web developer. Do you wish to become a freelance developer and attain financial freedom in your life? Freelancing is the quickest way to earn money with coding. You can even get money when you are still learning coding. However, knowing how and where to begin can feel daunting if you are a beginner. In this video, we will discuss 5 practical steps on how to become a freelance website developer. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 1. Improve your coding skills. If you know about JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, which are the basic building blocks of website development, then congrats! You already understand the first basic languages you will need for your freelancing jobs. With these 3 languages alone, you can start getting some freelance jobs online if you have a little knowledge of WordPress and other web design tools. Here are some other skills you are going to need as a website developer based on the kind of web development you want to be doing. Coding languages. You may also expand your knowledge and learn other programming skills like Python, Git, SQL, and command line, based on the kind of work you want to specialize in. You need to know the difference between back-end developer and front-end developers. Choose which side you prefer, and find out what coding languages to learn for that specialty. Marketing knowledge. Your skill set as a freelance website developer will help your clients stand out and rise above the competition. So having a basic knowledge of marketing can greatly help your professionalism. It is good to have a little knowledge of Google Analytics, SEO fundamentals, and branding. This will enable you to place your work within your client's bigger goal of reaching more people. Number 2. Create your portfolio. Every freelance web developer needs to have a good portfolio website. It's the #1 tool for showcasing your skills and expertise to prospective clients. You should see your portfolio as a store where those who need your services can go through your work and make their choices. This allows you to show a wide variety of your work to get new customers. Also, creating your portfolio website now is going to save you a lot of time in the future. When you first start learning coding and creating your first projects, it is important to have your website in place so that you have where to upload and show your latest works immediately. You need 2 things to create your portfolio: domain name and web hosting. Buying a domain name and registering for web hosting is the only essential investment you have to make to start earning money online as a freelance web developer. So, we recommend that you choose Bluehost. This web hosting platform works well with WordPress and offers good customer support when troubleshooting a problem. You can get up to 65% discount and a free domain name if you use our affiliate link embedded in this video description. Number 3. Register on an online freelancing platform. By creating your account on an online freelancing platform, you can know the kind of jobs available in your chosen field. This will enable you to focus on learning the most demanded and necessary skills to start making passive income as a freelance web developer. Basically, freelancing is about looking for clients with a problem that you can help resolve with your skills. Popular online freelancing platforms you may want to consider: Freelancer.com, Upwork.com, PeoplePerHour.com. At this point, you can select any freelancing platform you prefer. If you are confused about which platform to consider, you can always go with Upwork. I began my freelancing career on this website, and I had a great experience working there. After you have created your freelance profile, you can start navigating job openings. Make sure to use the right filters to find small jobs that a beginner can easily do. Find out which skills are highly demanded and what you have to learn to be able to land your first freelance work. Number 4. Submit applications for your first freelance job. If you just begin to learn coding and website development, you may feel like it is not yet time to start looking for jobs. You may feel like you're not proficient enough or you're not ready to take up jobs. Although you may not be able to deliver the same results as an expert web developer who has many years of experience under their belt, a lot of beginners underestimate their ability. Some tips that can help when you're just getting started. 1. Begin with small jobs. Fixing errors on website layouts or changing HTML content such as contact info on client's website. 2. Bid low for jobs and let clients know you are just starting out and are ready to work for less to get your first review. Believe me, if you can help clients fix their issues and your communication is quick and professional, you will land your first freelance job earlier than you expect. Number 5. Repeat and continue learning. Once you have completed your first project and receive your first payment as a freelancer, it is time to find another job. It's easier to get your next job once you've earned your first review or testimonial. When you are just beginning, keep your bids low and include newly completed projects in your portfolio. Also, make sure that you continue learning and improving your skills. As you work with various clients and create several small projects, you will soon learn how to handle your jobs and clients more efficiently. Try to accept any positive or negative reviews you receive from clients and learn from them. You're going to be surprised by how quickly you are getting and completing new jobs. If things go smoothly, you will be able to make a decent side income from your freelance jobs as a web developer. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to DevDev Show YouTube channel to see more content like this.